how to schedule meeting in Slack. So first go to Slack and then just click on add apps here. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to look for Google Calendar. Oh wait, let's just go to Slack Marketplace first. Okay, and then let's go to Google Calendar. Okay, click on this one. Okay, now click on add to Slack. Click on allow. Click okay, let's just authorize our email. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, now once you're here, let's just go to one of our direct messages. Okay, now here if you want to schedule a meeting, let's say I want to schedule a meeting with this person here. So what we're going to do is just type in /gcal and then click on create event. Okay, now here you just need to fill in all of the details for your meeting. Okay, title, let's just type in test here, guest if you want to invite some guests, and then the date, let's say I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow, and then duration 30 minutes, available times, let's say from 9:30 to 10 a.m. and then if you want to add a description here as well, you can do that. And then let's choose share this meeting with. Just select any of the people here that you want to share this to. So let's say I'm going to share it to Slackbot here. I can do that. So since I want to be in a meeting with this person here, I'll just choose this one and then click on create. There you go. Now they're going to be notified with this. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.